Alright, let's unbox this Demon Eye LED light kit. Inside the box, you'll find a cigarette lighter power cable, a remote control, the Demon Eye LED light strip, and a piece of double-sided tape. Now let's get started with the install. Take the light strip and peel off the protective film on the back. I've already done that here. Line it up along the rear glass on the tailgate. Press it down firmly and make sure it's nice and even. Next, grab the cigarette lighter cable, plug it into the light strip, and connect it to power. Once you see the LED light up properly, you know everything's working, so we can move on. Unplug the connector from the light strip. Then pop off the panel behind the trunk's power socket. Feed the unplugged wire through the gap to the outside of the car. From there, tuck the wire neatly along the trunk weather strip. You'll need to pry open the white trim panel underneath, just enough to hide the cable inside, and route it toward the tailgate connection area. Then remove the rubber wire grommet at both ends of the tailgate connection, and use a wire puller to feed the cable through that rubber channel into the tailgate. Once that's done, snap the trim and weather strip back into place. Now remove the tailgate interior panel. Pull the wire through. And plug it back into the LED strip. Tidy up any extra cable with some zip ties or tape. Finally, reinstall the tailgate panel and the rubber grommet. And that's it. Your Demon Eye flexible LED strip is fully installed and ready to go.